YouTube, what's going on today? We got a brand new review regarding the Swift Pro. I just picked it up on Monday, and I decided that I would give you guys a little follow-up review since I haven't done one of these smoke vape bar things in a while. And I picked up the Cool Mint variation. I wanted to say that, I've heard so much hype about this brand and a lot of people talking about it, saying, oh, it's the new Big Dog. It's one of the best flavors out there now. And I never really believed it up until I actually picked it up and started smoking it. Been smoking this flavor for the last week and since Monday. And let me break it down for you guys, show you how it looks, how exactly it performs, etc. So it has a little airflow adjustment on the bottom of it, and here's the top of it. Kind of looks like a more high-tech, better-looking version of the Puff Plus, and it comes with 1,200 hits, whereas the Puff Plus comes with 800, and the price difference will blow your mind. This costs $13, whereas the Puff Plus costs $17, $18, and yeah, I've been smoking it for a week. It's still going. The flavor is magnificent. So many people have been talking about this brand, saying it's the new Big Dog out there. It's the best flavor, best brand that's came out, better than Puff Bar, better than Hype Bar, all the other stuff. And I didn't believe it up until I went into my smoke shop on Monday and I saw a flavor. I saw this actually because I hadn't seen it there before. This brand Swift, and I decided to test it out just to see, how it is, the vibe of it. And they had the flavor that I typically smoke, which is mint. So I was like, fuck it, go for it. So I've been smoking it for a week now. I've got to say, it is possibly my new favorite brand to smoke. The flavor is magnificent. It's so smooth, it's so crisp. It hits decent amount. The hit isn't huge, but I mean it's a disposable puff bar, so you can't really expect it to be hitting like a hookah. So the flavor is great. The doesn't burn your throat as much. For the first, I would say like 10 hits, it did burn my throat a good amount, but I mean that's typically how it goes. You have to get used to it, and so, after 3-4 days of smoking it, the bottom of it emits a red light now, and I'm assuming that's basically saying it's about to die. But I've been smoking it for 2 days after the red light came on, and it hasn't died on me yet. So it lasts a good amount. I mean, as long as a puff bar lasts for like a week, that's good in my book, and I mean, it's still going. It's been like 6 days. No, Monday to Saturday. So it's been like 5 days, 6 days almost. And it hasn't ran out. It tastes amazing. It's the best tasting flavor in my opinion. It kind of tastes similar to Hype Bar's icy mint flavor. Their blue icy mint flavor. And it tastes like identical to that. Except it's a little bit better, a little bit smoother. Plus you have the adjustment airflow thing. And it's actually the same price as a Hype Bar Puff Bar. Maybe like $1 more. But I'm telling you guys, please, 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 if you are in the market looking for a mint flavor that tastes great, lasts long, good price, then you should definitely pick this up. Tell me what you guys think right in the comment section down below. It is possibly my only favorite flavor now. I mean, I tried to go back to the Puff Plus green mint flavor, but it's just not the same to me. And this is just like the best in my opinion now. So we have a new winner of, the best flavor that's out there right now. This definitely took the top spot over the Puff Plus. If you guys have any questions, any comments, you gotta leave down in the description. Any requests of flavors from this brand that you want me to test out and make a video of, I will do it. Just write it down in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this very informative video on the new Swift Pro. Guys, thank you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, please like, subscribe, comment. Stay COVID-19 free and have a beautiful day, guys. Later.